In today's video, we're exploring the best AI image enhancer apps for Android that can help you take your photos to the next level. If you're ready to transform your images effortlessly, let's get started. Pixelup AI Photo Enhancer. Pixelup AI Photo Enhancer is a powerful app designed to enhance image quality using advanced artificial intelligence technology. This app can automatically improve your photos by removing noise, enhancing sharpness, and adjusting brightness and colors, all with just one click. Users can also upscale their images to higher resolutions, ensuring that even small or low-quality images can be transformed into stunning visuals. Additionally, Pixelup provides features like portrait enhancement and background blur effects, making it a versatile tool for both casual photographers and professionals who want to elevate their photo quality with ease. iHancer AI Image Enhancer. iHancer AI Image Enhancer is a user-friendly app that focuses on providing simple yet effective tools for improving image quality. This app uses AI algorithms to analyze and enhance the details in your photos, making them clearer and more vibrant. With features such as automatic image enhancement, color restoration, and noise reduction, iHancer is ideal for users looking for quick and efficient improvements to their images. The app also allows for batch processing, enabling users to enhance multiple images at once, saving time and effort. Its clean interface makes it accessible for users of all skill levels. SuperImage AI Enhancer. SuperImage AI Enhancer is a comprehensive app that leverages the power of AI to enhance photos and improve overall image quality. It offers a wide range of features, including AI-powered sharpening, color enhancement, and resolution upscaling. Users can also apply various filters and adjustments to make their photos stand out even more. The app is designed with an intuitive interface, allowing easy navigation through its various features. SuperImage is particularly beneficial for photographers and social media enthusiasts, looking to make their images eye-catching and professional-looking with minimal effort. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Pixelup AI Photo Enhancer, iHancer AI Image Enhancer, and SuperImage AI Enhancer helps you find the perfect app to enhance your photos. Until next time, happy enhancing!